I had this from, it's a mini top hat from Spirit of Halloween. Okay. So we're going to prep this hat. I'm going to cut. You can still see a little white back there. I'll paint it black if I need to. I don't know if I will need to or not. This is going to be our base. I got this at the Dollar Tree. Now it came like this. I'll show you. I bought 2 of them, not knowing exactly what I would do with them. Fabric or something, but I think we're going to use the tinsel today. So we're going to undo the tinsel. It's wired, which makes it easy to work with. Okay, so we have our red. Okay, so now we have the base, all right? This rainbow is going to sit down inside of this hat. So I'm looking at it and I'm going to cut it so that it will sit down. And we want it to be secure in there. I have to go get another one of these sheets. I need 2. We are going to make this rainbow a little skinnier. We're going to take off, but this one is going to be perfect, like this. We need to cut 2 pieces of this white paper, or a pen, just something to write with. Okay, there. And we're going to cut another one just like it, okay? All right. This is what we're looking at so far. And it's going to go over into here. I feel like I need to cut these little points off. We have to make the hat heavy enough that it's going to hold this. Okay, so these are the little points that hold that tinsel on. I'm just trying to get rid of them. Okay, so this is what we're doing. I've got... I'm going to make a mark with my pencil. So this is going to all be covered up, so I don't need to worry about putting the rainbow stuff on it. Okay, so we've got our red. We're going to do a shot of hot glue all on the edge there. And we're going to come here. All right, so far this is what we've got. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so here's our rainbow. Now the ends, you can see they need some attention. And you see there's clouds on the ends of these rainbows. I'm actually going to use one of these pieces of paper and so we just have a rough cloud shape. All right. I want that to sit in there really good. Let it sit on the bottom. I'm going to put some hot glue on my cloud. Over here on this side. I have big chunky yarn, so we're just going to squiggle this on here. So here's our cloud. And we're going to do the same cloud on the other side, same type of thing. The clouds. Okay, so there's our cloud. I have foam. I don't know if I need it. I think I might. Ooh, I want to do it on a paper towel. This foam gets everywhere. Woo! Now we're just going to start pouring glue in here. I'm looking for something that will give it... I know exactly where a little bag of pebbles is out on the back patio. Let me grab some pebbles. I've got pebbles. Okay, pebbles. And it works. All right, so here is what we have here. Now, I have these little things from the Dollar Tree. Okay, we're gonna use this in the bottom. All right. Here we go. Look at how stinking cute this is. Okay. I want, we're going to pop some of these little things in here. These are just little coin looking things. Okay. So here's the coins. Okay, so this is my front side. This is the front. I feel like we need something. This is like a Celtic knot. And I feel like we need something on the front like that. Let's... Okay, that looks really cute. And you'll see. We're using them all. Okay, so when my thought is I want this to look good from the front and the back, but there is a front. So the front is going to have all the Totally Dazzled on it, okay? This is our Totally Dazzled coming down the rainbow into the hat of gold, the pot of gold. Look at how absolutely fun. And there's the clouda. Let me just drop some green in that. You guys, look at the Totally Dazzled. It's so pretty. Look at it sparkle. Really, really pretty collection. A beautiful collection. So, God bless you guys. I hope you enjoyed this.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.